Online Skill English.
Where are you from?
I'm from Japan.
Do you like it here?
Yes, it's beautiful.
How long are you staying?
For 6 months?
Are you here to study?
Yes, I study English.
Do you like studying English?
Yes, I enjoy it a lot.
Who is your teacher?
Mr. Brown.
Is he a good teacher?
Yes, he's very kind.
What time are your classes?
From 9 to 12.
Do you go to school every day?
Yes, from Monday to Friday.
How do you go to school?
I walk every morning.
Is it far from your house?
No, it's very close.
Where do you live?
I live near the park.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my friend.
What's your friend's name?
Her name is Anna.
Is she a student too?
Yes, she studies English too.
Do you study together?
Yes, we study in the evening.
What do you do after class?
I go shopping or read books.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, very much.
What do you buy?
Clothes and food.
Where do you buy food?
At the supermarket?
Do you cook at home?
Yes, simple dishes.
What can you cook?
Rice and noodles.
Do you like spicy food?
A little, not too much.
What's your favorite food?
I love sushi.
Do you eat out often?
Only on weekends.
Where do you go?
To restaurants or cafes?
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, every morning.
How do you like it?
With milk and sugar.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
What do you do first?
I brush my teeth.
Do you have breakfast?
Yes, toast and juice.
What time do you leave home?
At 8:30.
What time do you come back?
Around 4 p.m.
What do you do at night?
I study and watch TV.
What time do you sleep?
At 11 p.m.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, very well.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I walk in the park.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like tennis.
Are you good at tennis?
I'm learning.
Do you watch sports on TV?
Sometimes soccer.
Do you have many friends here?
A few from school.
What do you do with them?
We talk and have fun.
Do you go out together?
Yes, on weekends.
Where do you go?
To the park or cinema.
Do you take photos?
Yes, I love taking pictures.
Do you like this city?
Yes, very much.
What do you do on weekends?
I usually go out with friends.
Do you go shopping there?
Yes, sometimes I buy clothes.
Do you like fashion?
Yes, I love new styles.
What color do you like most?
I like blue.
Do you wear blue often?
Yes, almost every day.
Do your friends like the same color?
No, they like different ones.
What do you do after shopping?
We eat something together.
What do you like to eat?
Pizza or burgers?
Do you like cold drinks?
Yes, I like lemonade.
Do you eat ice cream too?
Yes, I love chocolate ice cream.
Do you eat it often?
Only in summer.
What do you do in winter?
I stay home and watch movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
Comedy and adventure.
Do you watch them alone?
No, with my family.
Who chooses the movie?
Usually my sister.
Does she like the same movies?
Yes, we both like funny ones.
Do you have a favorite actor?
Yes, Tom Holland.
Do you watch his movies often?
Yes, I watch all of them.
Do you like Spider-Man?
Yes, he's my favorite superhero.
Do you read comics too?
Yes, sometimes in my free time.
When do you read?
Before sleeping.
Do you read English books?
Yes, easy ones for practice.
Do you think reading helps?
Yes, it improves my English.
Do you listen to English songs too?
Yes, every day.
What kind of songs do you like?
Pop songs.
Who is your favorite singer?
Taylor Swift.
Do you know all her songs?
Not all, but many.
Do you sing sometimes?
Yes, when I'm happy.
Do your friends sing too?
Yes, we sing together.
Do you dance too?
We love dancing.
Where do you dance?
At home or at parties.
Do you go to parties often?
Only on birthdays.
Do you like birthdays?
Yes, they're fun and joyful.
When is your birthday?
In June,
How do you celebrate it?
with cake and friends.
Do you make a wish?
Yes, always before blowing candles.
Do your friends bring gifts?
Yes, small, lovely gifts.
Do you give gifts too?
Yes, I like surprising them.
What kind of gifts do you give?
Mm, books, chocolates, or flowers.
Do they like them?
Happy. Yes, they always smile.
Do you take photos at parties?
Yes, lots of them.
What do you do with the photos?
I post them online.
Which app do you use?
I use Instagram.
Do many people follow you?
A few, mostly friends.
Do you like sharing pictures?
Yes, it's fun.
Do you also take selfies?
It's almost every day.
Where do you take selfies?
In the park or at school.
Do you smile in your selfies?
I love smiling.
Do your friends like your photos?
Yes, they comment nice things.
Do you like reading comments?
Yes, it makes me happy.
Do you use your phone a lot?
Sometimes, but not too much.
What do you use it for?
Music, study, and chatting.
Do you use it for studying English?
Yes, I watch English videos.
Do you learn new words from them?
Yes, every day.
Do you write the words down?
Yes, in my notebook.
Do you review them later?
Yes, before sleeping.
Do you find learning English easy?
Sometimes, but I enjoy it.
What is the hardest part?
Speaking fast.
Do you practice speaking daily?
Yes, with my friend Anna.
Do you help each other?
Yes, we correct mistakes.
Do you both speak English well?
We're getting better.
Do your teachers praise you?
Yes, they say I'm improving.
Do you feel proud?
Very proud.
Do you want to visit other countries?
Yes, many places.
Which country first?
Maybe the USA.
Why the USA?
To see New York and learn more English.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it.
Have you ever been on a plane?
Yes, once when I came here.
Did you like the flight?
Yes, it was exciting.
Was it your first time flying?
Yes, I was a little nervous.
Did you sit near the window?
Yes, I loved the view.
What did you see from the window?
Clouds and small cities below.
Did you take photos from the plane?
Yes, a few nice ones.
How long was the flight?
About 8 hours.
What did you do on the plane?
I watched movies and listened to music.
Did you talk to anyone on the plane?
Yes, a friendly lady next to me.
Was she traveling alone too?
No, with her family.
Did you eat on the plane?
Yes, they served dinner.
How was the food?
It was okay, not too bad.
Did you sleep during the flight?
A little, but not much.
Were you tired when you arrived?
Yes, very tired but happy.